Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Mithika. So I am back again. I have come on my channel after almost 3 years. So now I will be regular and I'm going to work on this channel a lot. So today I have created this look. So today is a very special day. I have my birthday today. So I just created this look and I wanted to share it with you guys. So stay and watch this space for more, and do let me know how it is looking on me and what things I can improve, and just keep supporting. So I don't know how it has turned out. You guys tell me how it is looking on me. According to me, I have done good. So let's see how it goes on. If you want to stay and look at the tutorial, you can just go ahead and watch this video, and do leave down the comments to let me know how I have done and what things I can improve. Thank you.
Hi guys, so we are going to start with the makeup now. So the very first product which I am going to use is the Maybelline Mattifying Primer, which is the Master Primer. So it is for oily skin. I don't have completely oily skin, but I have my T-zone which is very oily. So I'm just going to take a small amount of this and I'm going to apply it all over my face. So it is going to give it a smooth finish. So as you can see, I'm just going to rub it all over my face now. The next product which I am going to use is the foundation. The foundation is from Sea Salt. This is an Australian brand and it says that it is HD Professional and it is waterproof airbrush finish foundation. So this foundation would be a semi coverage, however it is a very lightweight. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face and I have just dabbed it on my brush and then I'm going to apply it all over my face. As you can see, it gives a very smooth finish. You can build the coverage for the foundation if you like. If you think that you need another coverage, so you can just apply a little bit more and it will give you a flawless finish. Okay, so the shade which I am using for the foundation is Sea Salt LF03. So whosoever is of my shade can use this foundation and the shade number. And if you want to reference, so if you are using the Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Warm Sun, this will be the perfect foundation for you. Okay, so the concealer which I am going to use now is the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So as the name says, all erase dark circles. So I am using the shade Caramel. This is the perfect concealer. If you want to invest in a good concealer, go for this. It is exactly the shade of my skin. I don't like to go a shade brighter. I just like to match the skin tone. Wherever there are dark spots, I'm just going to hide it using this concealer. So as you can see, I have a lot of dark spots on my forehead. So these are basically the acne spots. I have a lot of acne problem on my forehead. So I'm just going to hide it using the same concealer, the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So this is the best concealer. So give it a shot if you really want to invest in a good concealer. This is going to hide it completely. Like if you have a really bad dark circle, so you are obviously going to use the color corrector to hide it. Otherwise, this concealer is a very good concealer. So the next product which I am going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So this is in the color medium. So I'm just going to set my face using this loose powder. So this is a little bit lighter shade, but that's okay because when I will set it, I'm just going to dust it off. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Basically we use it for the under eyes or around the lips area, but I'm just going to set all my base with the help of this powder. So now I am going to start with my eye makeup, and the first palette which I am going to use is the Blush Nude Palettes by Maybelline again. So as you can see, I was trying to figure out the name of the color which I was going to use, but I could not make it. So I'm just going to use this champagne color for my base first, and I'm just going to blend it with the fresh makeup brush, and I'm just going to blend it all over my eyes. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid first. This is the base color which I am going to use. This is a very good nude palette, like you can use it for the office purpose as well. However, there are a little bit of fallouts with this palette, but you can work with it. In case you are wondering which makeup brushes I am using, so I am using the brushes from Puna store. This is very affordable brushes. Want to invest in a good brush, but however you are a beginner, so you can just give it a try. As you can see, I have taken another clean brush and I'm just going to blend it more precisely and clean out the other areas. As you can see, I have hooded eyes, so it becomes very difficult for me to do that eye makeup exactly because there are a lot of holes in my eyelid. The next color which I'm going to take is this pink purple color. Like this is the kind of pink color with the purple undertone. So I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to apply it again. So the next palette which I am going to use is this She palette. This is by Colourpop and the shade which I am using is Damsel. So basically it has like 3 rows and the first one is metallic, the second one is metallic as well, and the last one is matte. The shade which I am using has a matte texture, so I am just using the same color for my lower lash line as well. So I have applied the liner off camera and I have used the white liner for my lower lash lines as well. So now it is the time for some drama, I mean the mascara. So the mascara here I am using is the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline. This is a waterproof mascara. This is the best buy which I ever had in my vanity. It instantly lifts your lashes and gives them the desired volume. I'll just show you the difference it creates after just applying a single coat. As you can see, I was a little bit annoyed by the bangs which were falling on my face again and again. You can see the volume which it has given to my lashes after a single coat. So nonetheless, this is the best mascara if you want to invest in a good product. So now I am just going to do my brows. So I don't have a single product for my brows and I am just going to use a hack for it. I am just going to use that black eyeshadow and I'm just going to do my brows with that black eyeshadow from the Maybelline palette. And I had done my eyebrows offline. So now I am going to use this Master Contour palette by Maybelline and I am going to apply this contour on my cheekbones and I am going to give it a little bit of definition. A little bit of product blends very smoothly. So for my blush, I am again using the same palette and I am just going to take the second color. It is in pink and it has a little bit of gold and shimmer to it. So I am just going to apply it all over my cheeks as well as on my nose. I did not want to have that bold look, so I am just going to apply a very little amount. So now time for some lipstick. So the lipstick which I am using here is by MAC and the shade is in All Fired Up. I love bright pink lipstick, so it is basically towards the fuchsia side, and this is matte as well. I don't like glossy or shimmery lipstick, so I just only use matte lipstick. And now I am going to apply another lipstick on the top of it. This is the liquid matte lipstick by Stay Quirky and the shade is Can I Borrow a Kiss. I'm just going to layer it up with the liquid lipstick because a liquid lipstick stays a little longer. So for the highlight, I am using the same Master Contour palette by Maybelline and I am going to highlight the usual areas. So I like to apply the highlighter using the fingertips because it helps with the perfect application. So as you can see that I am done with my makeup, so I am just going to set my makeup now, and for that I am using the makeup fixer by Makeup Revolution. So the makeup fixer is going to set my makeup at its place so that it does not move and it does not look ashy. Guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do not judge me based on my skill. I am not a pro makeup artist.
If you have enjoyed watching my tutorial, please hit the subscribe button and like and share it with your friends. Just go ahead and work more and more and entertain you more. Thank you. Bye bye.